Another day, another story. Sell products online. You can create an online store using platforms like Etsy or Amazon and sell products you create or source from other suppliers. Participate in paid online surveys. Companies are always looking for consumer feedback on their products, and they pay for it. You can sign up for paid survey websites like Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, or Vindale Research. Become an affiliate marketer. You can promote other people's products on your website or social media channels and earn a commission on each sale. Invest in stocks. You can start investing in stocks through online platforms like Robinhood, E-Trade, or TD Ameritrade. Remember, making money requires hard work and dedication. Always do your research and seek professional advice before investing your time or money into any venture.